Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we're gonna replicate this whole design using the Elementor Flexbox container. Okay, so let's get started. So like here you can see that I have chosen a random image from the Google, and this is the hero section, and we're gonna try to replicate the whole design using Elementor Flexbox container. Okay, so like here you can see that we have the header, and also we have this beautiful hero section. So I'm going to show you how to make this from scratch. Okay, so I don't made any. So let me show you. If I visit my site, you can see that it is a fresh WordPress installation. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so if I go to a plugin section, you can see that I am using such plugins: Elementor Pro, and some its add-ons, the very famous essential add-ons and the premium add-ons. Okay, so for making this layout, we're gonna use the Elementor Flexbox. So let's go to Elementor, then go to settings, and from here go to features, and from feature go to Flexbox container and make it active, and also the nested elements, make it active. Okay, else you don't need anything for making this. Okay, let's save the changes. Okay, so let's make our first page. Let's go to. Okay, so let me show you the theme which I'm using. If you are using the Elementor, I'll always suggest you to use the Hello Elementor theme, because it is only officially made by the Elementor team, and you can use any other themes like Astra or any other theme which are compatible with the Elementor. So okay, so let's back to the video. So here you can see that the sample pages. Let me add the new page. Okay, so let's add a new page here. Let's name it home, and from here default template, go to Elementor full width and make it publish. Okay, so when you publish, so first you have to do one thing: go to settings and go to reading, and here set the static page to home. Okay, let's save the changes. Okay, so let's visit our site again and delete our old. Okay, so here you can see that we are getting our home page. Okay, so let's start the video. Go to all pages, then we're gonna edit this our front page. Okay, so here you can see that it is showing the front page because we set it in the settings static. Okay, so let's edit with Elementor. Okay, so like here you can see that we have a logo. So first we're gonna make this hero section, and then we're gonna make the nav bar. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let's first make this nav bar, and then we'll make the hero section. Okay. Okay, so for making the nav bar, we have to go to the template, then go to the theme builder and open this in the new tab. Okay, so here you can see that we need a logo. Okay. Okay, so first we have to make this menu. Let's make the menu to from here. Go to appendix and go to menus. Then name it here whatever you want. I'm gonna name the main menu, and choose the header option if you are using the themes Hello Elementor. Okay, from here let's go to add to menu home. Then from the custom links we're gonna add collection brand new sales. Okay, let's add collections brands new and sales. You can add according to you whatever menu you want. I'm just replicating the design, so I'm gonna try to copy the whole design. Okay, sales. Okay, so our menu is ready. Let's save the menu, and let's get back to a theme builder and go to header, and from here add new. Let's make it. Okay, this is the navigator. Okay, this is very useful. This is our widget section. Okay, so in this we're gonna use the element of, so go to here, let's choose this. Okay, now you can see that we have the columns here, so let me show you. Okay, so first we're gonna make a. Okay, okay, Let's go to widgets and drag container here, then duplicate it. Okay, so we got the three container. Let's go to main container and make it flex direction row. Okay, so it is row in the direction. So this first container is for this logo, then the second one is for the nav, and the third one is for these three. Okay, so whenever you made such layouts, first divide the whole section in parts. Okay, so let me go here. Okay, so for making this we're gonna use the icon list. So let's search for list and just drag and drop here. Make it, okay, go here, make it center, start. Okay, so from here, shops, shops, then we're gonna try to find such. Okay, okay, we got the shopping bag here. Okay, so this is something reddish in color, so let's try. So let's make it reddish. Okay, I think this is looking good. Let's make it bigger. Okay, so this is black. Let's go to our text and let's choose this. Go to here, and we're gonna use here Poppins fonts. You can use any font you want. Let's make it 800, and let's increase the size. Okay, let's decrease the size little bit. Okay, perfect. 25 is looking good. So you can see that here we have very less space between the icon and the text, and here the space is very, I think, little bit more. So let's go here and try to remove this space. Okay, okay, I think this looks perfect. Okay, so this is ready. Okay, so I think this is too close. Let's make it like this. It is looking good. Okay, so the next part is to make the nav menu. Let's go to here and let's go to widget section and search for menu. Okay, then from here you can choose the WordPress menu and just drag and drop here. Okay, just make it center. Go to here, go to layout, make it center. Okay, align atom center also. And from here, okay, okay, so you can see that we have very little space between this. So for making the space, let's go to the container and try to add some space. Okay, let me go here and make it center. You can also adjust the space by like this. Okay, 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 home collection brands. Okay, so this is black, so let's make it black. This time also I'm gonna use the Poppins font here. Let's decrease the size. Okay, perfect. So here you can see that we are getting this effect, but I don't want to add such type of effect. So let's go here, and from underline I am gonna make it frame. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let's go here and copy this color code from the icon. Let me save this color code, so we're gonna use every time, so we don't have the hustle to copy it again and again. Okay, so let's go here, and from here choose this. So whenever I hover, it will change its color and also make it this color. So okay, okay, so if I uh, make the pointer bit little, make it 2. Okay, so this is you can also view here. Okay, so this is looking good. Okay, If you want to increase some space, you can go here and go to here and add some space between it. Okay, so it will have some space. Okay, so when it's active, make it this. Okay, so let's publish it first. Okay, so the next step is to add these icons. Okay, so this is the container. Okay, so here we're gonna add the icon. So for this we're gonna again use the icon list, then drag and drop here. Okay, let's make it like this. Okay, so like here you can see that we only have the logo, we don't have the name. So first is search, then this and this. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna show you how to add this and this, and we're gonna add the search feature also. Okay, so let me first delete this text, and also we're gonna choose this basket type. Go here, let me choose this. Okay, okay, let's duplicate it, and from here we're gonna choose the account type of layout icon. Go here. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let's go to the solid and search for it. I don't remember the name, so here we get. Okay, user. Okay, so let's make it center. Go to the container from here and make it center, and make it end. Okay, and for this make it start, and for this make it end. Okay, so let's go to here. Let's increase the size, so it is black in color. So let's make it, go to the icon, and let's make it black. Let's increase the size. Okay, this is looking good. Okay, so I think let me do one thing. Let's make it this color. Okay, I think this is looking more better than that. Okay, so if you want to add some space, you can add here. Okay, so I forgot one thing. We're gonna add this search. Okay, so for adding this search, I'm gonna show you another widget. Let's search here, search form. From here just drag and drop it. Okay, so it comes here. Make it above. Okay, okay, I think this is okay, so let me do one thing. uh, Let me go here. Okay, so we have to make it row. For making it aligned here. Okay, so let's drag and drop it from here. Okay, so this is perfectly aligned. So now we have to make it center. Okay, so like here when I write this, it is perfectly centered. Okay, so here you are seeing that we are getting here the background color. So for removing it, I think we have to go here and just remove it. Okay, so this is removed. So let's go to icon color and change the icon color to. Okay, okay, so this is changed. Okay, so if you click here, it will go to this. Okay, or if you want to try it, you can also add the search feature here. Okay, so let me update it, and let's refresh our this page, and you can see that our this is ready. Okay, so this is not showing here because I have made the same color for all. So for making input overlay color, let's make it black. This is some color problem here. Okay, if I click here, okay, let's make it white. Okay, so light here it is coming. Okay, so this is the color. If you want to make it little bit, you can go here and make it. Okay, so this is what I'm showing to you. Okay, so let's refresh and try one more time. Okay, I think it's not saved. Let's refresh it again. I think we are getting some error or bug here. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let's move to the our home section. Okay, we will get back to this section again. Okay, so now we want to make this. Okay, so for making this we need some containers. So let me show you. This is our first container and this is our second container. Okay, so let's add here two section. Okay, so the first section contains this. So let me add. So first we have to give some padding. Let's give some padding from the top and below. Let's add 80 from the top and 80 from the below. Okay, and new arrival products, let's rename it. New arrival products, and the next is the best look anytime anywhere. Okay, so just duplicate it. Okay, so next is some, let's add a lorem ipsum. Okay, the next is button, and for this we're gonna add a container. Okay, let's go to here and add a inner container below it, and inside this container we're gonna add this. Okay, so let me show you. These are the two buttons. So if I go here and let's add one button here and let's duplicate it. Okay, so let's go to this container and make it a row. Okay, so the first one is the shop now. Shop now, and the second one is the watch video. But in the second one I'm going to show you how to make this with icon. Okay, so here you can see it is watch video, so it has some icon. So go to icon library and choose for play. Okay, so choose one which is similar. Okay, so let me style the whole section. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So it is, so okay, let's go here and let's make this, and let's go to here and increase the size. Okay, and from transform make it uppercase. Okay, uh, this is okay, perfect. Okay, so let's make it poppins, and let's keep it. Okay, so the next is this. So let's go here and we're gonna choose the black one. Let's make it a little dark. Okay, so let's increase the size. Let's make it 50 and go to transform and make it capitalize. Okay, so like here you can see that let's use some similar fonts like this. So I'm gonna use Poppins here too. You can use any font you want. Okay, we can also search for the similar font, but it takes. Okay, so I think this looks much similar. Okay, so the best look anytime, so we're gonna break it in best and anytime. Okay, so for breaking this, let's go to here, then go to content and from here go to and add the br tag. Okay, and here also add the br tag, so it will like this. Now we have to give some space between it. So the line height, go to style, go to typography, then from here add some line height. Okay, so let's increase the size little bit, let's make it 55. Okay. Okay, the next section is to make this. Let's go here and let's make it poppins. Okay, so let's add a little bit margin to the right direction. Okay, and then go to styles and make it justified. Okay, so it is justified. Let's update the changes and let's refresh our homepage. Okay, so here you can see that it comes. Okay, so like here you can see that we are having some background in the background, color background. Okay, so we will add the background at last. Okay, so let me do one thing, let's make these buttons. Okay, so let's go here, container, and remove the padding. Okay, so let's go to the this, and we're gonna add this color. Go to styles, add this color, and go to typography, and from here choose the Poppins fonts and go to transform and make it capitalize. Okay, so let me do one thing, and from here you can add the custom padding. Let us add 10 from the bottom, 10 from the below, 20 and 20. Let's make it 15. Okay, copy and add the styles to it. Okay, so it is looking like this right now, but here you can see that uh, we add such layout. So let's go to the next, and from here go to the styles, and from this make the background color transparent, and the text color make it this. Okay, so it will, and for the border make it none. Okay, so now we have to increase the icon size. Then go here, go to styles, and from here okay, okay, so here I don't see any option to increase the size, icon size. So let me do one thing. Okay, okay, so for making this icon such type of layout, okay, so we're gonna use another thing. I'll show you. Let's add another container here. Okay, so inside this container let's remove it. Okay, okay, so inside this container let's add icon. Let's add icon, and inside the icon let's add a text. Okay, then go to this inside container and make it row. Okay, so this will in the row direction, and from here search for play. Okay, and from here write it video. Okay, and here make it center, make it center. Okay, so let's go here, and let's change the color. Okay. Okay, so let's save. Let's refresh. Okay, so this is almost ready. Okay, so now you can see that we have some space between it. So for adding the space, let's go to this container, and from here go to column gap and make it 30. You can also make it 40 if you want more space. I'm gonna make it 30. Okay, so let's update and let's refresh this one more time. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so the next step is to add this. Okay, so for adding this, let's download some images. Let's try fashion. You can go to any website. I'll suggest to go to Unsplash. Okay, so let's me choose some images from here. Okay, so let us choose some random images. Let's choose this. Okay, I think this is Unsplash plus. Let's go to this. Okay, download this, and we want one more image. Let's choose this. Okay, so let's go here and then go and search for here images and just duplicate it. Okay, so in the first image, let's upload the files which we have downloaded. Okay, so let's add this, and for the second one, let's choose this. So like here you can see that the images are side by side. So for making this, let's go here and let's go to this container and make it a row. Okay, so this will align. Okay, so now this image is in the top and this image is little bit below. And okay, so for making this, okay, so you can see that we having this text also here. Okay, so for making this we can do one thing. This is container. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so you can do one thing that okay, so for this let's add this and go to container and make it like this. No, not like this. Okay. Okay, so for making this we're gonna use a different container. Okay, so let's delete this and also delete this, and let's delete this also. Okay, so inside this we're gonna add the two container. Okay, the first one is the first for image. Okay, so this is okay. So in the first container we're gonna add this image, and in the second container we're gonna add the text, and then we're gonna add the image. Okay, so let's go to this and add our first image, then go to this and add a second image. Okay, so this is much more similar to this. Okay, so now just we want to make it bigger. Okay, so let's increase the size little bit, and let's go to the main container, and from here layout, make the full width 1400. Let's see. Okay, let's make it 300. Okay, so this is looking good. Okay, okay, now we have to add this text fashion sales. Let's go to here and add fashion sales, and fashion have some gap, the break. Let me add here br. Okay, so this is left align, so let's make it right align. Okay, this is right align. Okay, so now we have to find a similar font for this. Let's go to styles and go to typography, and let's try to find this type of fonts. Okay, I'll get this. Okay, so let's make it gray color. It is grayish color. Okay, so let's go to here and we're gonna increase its size. Okay, so let's make it 50, and we're gonna decrease it. Okay, so let's save. So let's refresh our home page. So here you can see that according to designs, if we compare our design, this is looking almost similar, not the exact, but it is similar. Okay, so here let's add the background color also. Let's go to this container and go to styles, low, let's go to here, choose this color, and we're gonna use this shade. Let's update. Let's refresh one more time. Okay, so I think we have made this layout not the same, but the layout is looking exact. Okay, okay, so if you want to make this header to this, you can also do it. Just go to here, then go to container, and give it the same width. Okay, let's update it. Let's refresh it one more time. Okay, so it's looking perfect now. Okay, so this is perfectly working, and this is also perfectly working. I'll told you that it will work because it is facing some error, I think. Okay, so this is your search page, and this is your cart. Okay, so this is looking good. Okay, so if you like such type of video for making the design from the scratch, so if you like such type of video, please subscribe to our channel, and like and share our videos with your friends, and please support us for making this channel big, and we need your support very much. Okay, so if you enjoy our video, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.